Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Oh boy, yeah, get shots of it. They love it. Hi, no, baby. How's your mama, daddy's little girl?
You want to be on TV?
Your daddy, you want to be on TV, mama? Oh, your daddy's little girl. Oh, this is daddy's little girlfriend right here. She's your pretty girlfriend. Oh, back. Show me how you back. Back. Good girl. I'll get you some food, mama. That was Diamond. That's Smokey, and this is Bandit up front, and to the left is Smokey, and they're my little wild donkey. Hello, sugar baby. Hello, mama. Hello, sugar baby. Hello, sugar baby. Hello, baby. Oh, you take it wild. Okay. Brenda, leave us some mosquito spray. Christina, walk down there and tell her to give you that bucket. Wait, honey, wait. Bandit, come on. Go on over there, get you some food. Y'all better get over there. Daddy's gonna get these little boys. I'll get these boys. I'll get these boys. Church, I'll get these boys. Honey, they think I've got the food because of this cart. There you go. One more time, Brady.
Run the other way. That way. You're going the wrong way.
Yep, they'll come back. Come on, girls. How many bullets you got in that damn thing, sucker?
This one's got 13.
Oh, really? What is that?
It's an XD9.
Wow.
Subcompact 9mm.
9. That's what Matt wants me to get next. Is a 9mm.
Yes, it's got the 1911 style grip safety.
Right.
And it's got the trigger safety.
Right.
But other than that, there's no other safety.
Uh-huh.
It's got the ambidextrous release.
Okay.
So you got to release
either side.
Either side.
Okay. Good.
You got the fixed sights, and you have the
sight with a. Okay.
And you could do either green or red there.
Okay.
And it comes with the extra little things you can fit in there.
That's a nice weapon. Now, where do you get that from? Like Amazon, or did you buy that from an individual, or what?
I bought this from Dick's Sporting Goods.
Oh, okay, from
before
Dick's.
They sold out. It's not actually made by Springfield. It's made in Croatia, but they got the they bought the rights to it, and they started producing these here in the U.S.
Oh,
but
wow.
It's made in Croatia. You can see the stamp right there.
Right. Well, that's a nice pistol. Well, you just kept shooting. And I said, "Damn!" You know, people most of the time they think that you got 8 or 9 bullets. Big mistake. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, you're out of bullets. No, I'm not. Ba 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 ba. I love it. Now see the girls. Look. They ran all the way. I'm sure they ran all the way there. There they are down there now. So they said, "We're getting the hell out of
All right, good.
The hell out of Dodge."
No animals were hurt during the making of this video.
They were just looking for some food, that's all. Nice oats. See, they see Mama. They're looking at Mama right now. See if there's oats on the other side of the pasture.
Welcome to Mods and Reviews. My name is Brady, and today we are in Goliad, Texas. This is Mods and Reviews on the Ranch. And this is the Springfield XD9 Mod 2. Have you tried this product? Please comment below and tell me what you think. Oh, and while you're down there, put your eyes on my links to the product in the description below. Now this particular handgun has a nice lot of features that won me over. Number one is the grip zone. It just feels really good in your hands. You got some texture here, and it just contours to your hand very nicely. If you got sweaty hands, it shouldn't be too much of a big issue. And one thing I like about this grip zone is compared to like a similar model, the Taurus, it doesn't bite into your hand, so it feels really good in your hands. It doesn't feel like sandpaper. Also on the back you have the rack indicator, so a little pin comes out and you'll know that it's racked. Likewise on the chamber, you have a chamber indicator right there, so when you chamber a round, it will pop up and you know that there's a round in the chamber. It's got fixed sights. It's got an ambidextrous magazine release, so you got a magazine release on either side for you left-handed shooters. It's equipped with additional green or red fiber optic sights that can be installed in the front or the back sights.
Yeah, well, that you got my one right in the top there in the bullseye. The last one was low, but I think you hit two real close to me. Yeah, right here. I hit three of them. That's a good pattern right there. Yeah. The one here. You know.
Take a picture of that.
All right, I think I'm gonna try to knock one right there.
Tommy on the XD9.
Is it pretty much right on?
Yeah. Low right. High right. I think that was low. I'm not sure. Low right.
Oh, wow.
Overall, I really like the Springfield XD9 Mod 2. I would recommend it. These are my likes. I love the 1911 grip safety in combination with the trigger safety. This is my opinion. It wins over the Glock design. The fixed sights are right on target. I put a laser bore sighter in the chamber and it lines up perfectly with the sight picture. And these are my dislikes. It's a little bit bulky for concealed carry. If you get the double stack model, they do make the single stack model, which is more ideal for a concealed carry, but this one's just a little bit bulkier. And I live in Texas, so if it doesn't pass the shorts test, it's probably not one that I'm going to be concealed carrying unless it's winter time. But most of the time it's hot around here, and it's just a little bit bulky, as you can tell, for a concealed carry. Although I do have this Uncle Mike's holster. I got the left-handed one, and I can carry it on the small of my back pretty well, concealed. But other than that, this is really ideal for an open carry type of weapon. And overall it wins because it's a reliable firearm and extremely accurate and easy to shoot. Once again, this is this Springfield Compact XD9 Mod 2 double stack 3.8, and these are my thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this information helpful. This is a great way to support me if you like my content and you would like to see me more often. You can also check out mods and reviews for a more comprehensive review on this product, as well as similar products. This video is powered by Ray's Media Studio in Katy, Texas, West Houston area. They do video, audio production, photography, and graphic design. Thank you so much for watching.